For April's cast iron challenge of pork, today I'll be cooking this Frikadellen burger. Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or are you just here for the recipes? Don't forget to subscribe. So for this cook we'll be using the hillbilly flat top. I'm going to put down 1 teaspoon of oil and just spread that around the flat top. And then I'm going to put down 2 Frikadellen. These are German, they're made of pork, onion, breadcrumbs, herbs and spices. They are actually cooked, so all we're going to do is put a bit of a crust on them and warm them through. We've got about 2 to 3 minutes on that side. We're just going to turn them. Have a nice crust forming. Now we've got a crust on both sides. We're going to put some cheese on, so I'm just going to separate them. We've got 2 slices of smoked Bavarian cheese. I'm just going to put some beer down. I'm going to crush them to form some steam to melt this cheese. Cheese is melted nicely. So we'll get these off the grill and we'll get our burger built. So we've just got 1 normal burger roll. We're going to put some down some curry ketchup, which is a favourite in Germany. I'm going to start building. Just going to put some mild yellow mustard on. We don't have anything with too strong a taste. It's our second patty. A little bit of shredded lettuce and some good old gherkins. Put the lid on. And this is Dutchy's Frikadellen burger. And all we're going to do is got to serve it with some French fries and mayo. If you like what we're doing here with Dutch Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.